Hi. 오늘은 equation in quadratic form. 이건 뭐냐 하면은 2차 방정식인데 우리가 항상 이런 것만 생각해. x square minus 5x minus 6 equals 0. 근데 이 x를 갖다가 only they think about the one number. Very simple notion. 교과서에서도 보면 x가 무슨 one number, two number 하나만 그렇게 생각하는데 그게 아니고 that's why I prefer Apple or star package. Okay, x doesn't mean only one number. We don't know something in it. Anyway, x squared minus 5, x minus 6 equals 0. Once you factoring this, x is 6 and minus 1. Okay? 이렇게 되는 거 2차 방정식을 갖다 equation in quadratic form, quadratic이라고 해요. 2차. Okay, how about this one? Okay, 3x minus 2 square minus 5 times 3x minus 2 minus 6 equals 0. How can you solve this? Once you do this, you can distribute it and distribute it. Oh no, you cannot solve this. That's why I'm teaching you. I overstate. Overstate는 뭘 얘기냐면 every time I overstate substitution method, overstate. 많이 state는 말 안 되는 것도 state라고 해요. state. 그래서 so many times I overstate about apple and star. The reason is because I want to teach you a more simpler way to solve this kind of equation. So once you set 3 minus x equal, once you set replaced by apple, so this is apple square minus 5 apple minus 6. Look, compared to this, much simpler. Yes? That's why apple minus 6 was factoring this. Apple minus 6 times x plus 1 is 0. So apple is 6, apple is minus 1. Then what's inside apple? 3x minus 2. That's why x is 8 over 3. Then apple is right there. Inside apple, 3x minus 2 is there, and the minus 1, x is 1/3. Okay? So once you utilize substitution method, look much easier. Maybe a couple of weeks later on, we're gonna do calculus things in a substitution method much easier. Okay, this is the same. This kind of equation also quadratic 2차 방정식에 스퀘어가 있으니까 이런 것도 you cannot solve this. You cannot solve this one. It's too much. So we're gonna substitute 1 over 2x replaced by apple. So this is apple minus 5 apple minus 6. We solve this over here right there. So apple is 6, apple is minus 1. So what's inside apple? 1 over 2x. So x is 1 over 12. Apple is minus 1. This is 1 over 2x. So x is minus 1.5. Everything very similar. Very similar. X minus 5 root x of minus 6 is 0. How can you solve this? Okay. We're going to set the root x by the apple. So this is going to be a apple square minus 5. This is the apple right there. Minus 6. 0. Okay, we did it. We did already. Apple is 6. Apple is minus 1. What's inside apple? Root x equals 6. Square each side. Make x equal 36. This one, root x is minus 1. Make sure root value always positive. So minus 1, you cannot solve no solution. Okay? And this one is 2. Absolute value x squared equal to 7 times absolute value x plus 5. Okay? We're gonna set absolute value of x to apple. So this is gonna be apple square equal right there 7 apple 5. We rearrange it. X apple square minus 7 apple plus 5. We solved it already. Oh no, I'm going to use it in a quadratic equation. So apple is 7 plus minus root 29 over 2. So One of them is 7 plus root 69 over 2. The other one is 7 minus root 69 over 2. Okay? What's inside the apple? We're gonna do this one first. What's inside the apple? Root x. Absolute value x. So absolute x is 7 minus root 69 over 2. This value is minus. So absolute value always positive. So we cannot use this. This one, absolute value is 7 plus 6 root 69 over 2. So x will be 7 plus root 69 over 2 or minus 7 plus root 69 over 2. Got it? This is it. You are not sure about this one? I think I'm going to give you an idea. Root x is 2. What's going to be x? X should be plus 2 or x should be minus 2. This kind of idea. Okay? Thank you.